Greetings everybody. I am Dr. D.D. Chaturvedi from Shri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce, Economics Department, University of Delhi. The topic of my presentation is Mathematical Modeling in Economics. This study examines the significance of fundamental and advanced mathematics in theoretical as well as real-world economic analysis. It focuses on use of different mathematical operational tools and techniques to solve economic problems. The main significance of mathematical economics is that it helps to solve the optimization problems like profit and output maximization given the labor and capital constraints and cost minimization. It is the main help to managerial economists and business analysts for the betterment of the firm. The framework of economic model can be mathematical and non-mathematical in nature. The model will consist of set of equations, structure to explain the model, the relationship of variables in certain ways help these equations to give mathematical form to the analytical assumptions used. Though mathematics has become advanced mode of communication in economic analysis, it helps to quantify the relationship between economic variables, but still there is criticism for the applications of mathematical modeling in economics because sometimes textbook models fail to take in account the real world economic scenario. The main objectives of study of this paper are to determine the significance of mathematics in economic analysis, to examine as to how the economic analysis goes with and without mathematics approach, to see as to how mathematical approach helps to quantify the changes in qualitative economic variables, to check as to how mathematical approach in economic analysis helps to solve business related problems and gives the best optimal solutions, to go beyond geometric methods while using mathematical approach in economic analysis, to find out the relationship between different macroeconomic parameters, GDP and consumption rate using regression analysis, and finally to verify the equilibrium of a particular commodity in a market using linear equation, and then through applications of comparative static analysis to the same when the parameters are unknown. Economics helps in the efficient allocation of resources through various problem solving techniques in which mathematics is fundamental to apply the various allocation problems of the economics, like quantification. In economic analysis, forecasts are made with the help of diagrams. For example, in a competitive market, if supply is increased, then the price of a good falls. There is a very common economic intuition behind it, which any market player can analyze. An economist also needs to make prediction regarding the amount by which the price falls if the quantity supplied is increased by a specific number. For such economic forecast, use of mathematics is required. Sometimes the economic analysis that are non-mathematical in nature can also be useful for predicting the direction of expected change and the changes which are non-quantitative in nature. simplification. Algebraic expressions make some economic concept or relationship much easier to understand than if the expressed in words. For example, the relationship between the price of a particular good and the quantity of the good can be expressed like the quantity demanded in a given time is 1000 crore when price is 0 and decreases by say 20 crores with increase in price for every 1 unit. If this was to express mathematically, then it can be given by Q is equal to 1000 minus 20p, where Q is the quantity demanded for a particular commodity and P is the price of the commodity. This example is very simple, but when the relationship between the variables becomes complex, the significance of mathematical approach to apply in economic analysis becomes very important. Scarcity and choice. Economics deals with the optimization problem that are concerned with the efficient allocation of limited resources. Every firm tries to maximize output given the budget constraint. For example, expenditure on the input used to produce that output. Mathematics plays a very important role to find solution to optimization problem. Use of mathematical techniques to solve such resources allocation problems play a key important role, especially for managerial economists and operational research analysts. Econometrics is related to measurement of economic data. It deals with empirical observations using statistical methods to prove the relationship between economic variables. Statistical methods used mainly are estimation and hypothesis testing. On the other hand, mathematical economics is the application of mathematics to the theoretical aspects of economic analysis. However, looking at relationship between both empirical studies and theoretical analysis go hand in hand, as these are often complementary and mutually reinforcing. This also allows theories to be tested against empirical data for validity before the applications. Through the use of econometric technique of regression analysis, this study defines relationship between economic parameters of GDP and consumption. In comparative static analysis, the study compares different equilibrium outcomes using equations and mathematical operation tools in which equilibrium price falls and equilibrium quantity increases as an effect of increase in supply. Another mathematical concept called compound effect of exponential function, which is very important mathematical operation used in the economic analysis of population growth. This tool helps to forecast economic parameters in a better way. For advancement, mathematics has become the mode of communication in the analysis of economic models. It quantifies the relationship between economic variables. Elementary economics use simple mathematical techniques to describe and focus models having properties of perfect competition, complete information, and no other uncertainties that exist in the real world business and economic environment. Whereas looking beyond introductory economics, intermediate as well as advanced microeconomics and macroeconomics drop these textbookish assumptions. Hence, the mathematical demands to economic models become considerably high. Some business analysts or managerial economists that applies mathematical tools and techniques to solve business-related problems criticize mathematical modeling Firstly, these mathematical models and techniques have no relation to the real world business problems or decisions that have to be made. Further, even if these models are able to make real relation with the real world, then also there is not enough required data available on the relevant variable to apply these mathematical techniques. Thank you so much.